Oh, his name's right this time!
Yeah.
It actually says Lewis. It's not Rochelle. Anyways, guys, we actually had to stop playing because stuff came up last time, so we just picked up from where we left off.
Yep, yep. Yeah, well, blame the hunter for that one.
Oh, I am. Damn
How
you,
did
Hunter.
I magically get this gun?
I have no idea.
Is it just because we spawned in like the middle the first time?
I think so.
Okay. Shall we try this again?
Yeah. Is there a pistol around up in here?
I dropped mine.
I don't see
'Cause
it.
I picked up the bat.
Where'd you pick up the bat at?
In this corner. Right here.
The gun glitched through the map.
It must have.
Oh, that's just great.
There'll be another one.
Fuck you, game!
What the hell is that? 2 seconds into the map. 2 seconds.
And we're already getting horrified.
Exactly.
Okay. Can we come over here? We can, but it serves no real true purpose.
There's a spitter up there. I just seen her.
Hut two, hut two, hut two. Woo! Parkour!
I hear her.
There she is. Lois got her. She was behind us.
How'd she get? She snuck around. Oh! Yeah!
You jumped over him, Spider-Man.
Oh, I was wondering what I glitched on. I'm on this little tiny pole.
Yeah. I watched Divergent last night.
You watched what?
Divergent.
Oh, is it pretty good?
And the trailer made it seem so much better. I mean, it's not that bad of a movie, but it's not that great. And what's up with all these things about overthrowing a government?
I don't know.
The Hunger Games does it. Spoiler
Hunger
alert.
Games, no one can beat the Hunger Games.
Yeah, that's true. And then, Divergent's doing it, and I know there's another series that does it. Just can't think of it.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, that's not that many, but they're still pretty much... I mean, what's with it? It's like a trend or something. Maybe it's a secret sign saying, overthrow the government!
How do we know?
I don't know.
Yeah, good gun. Hello?
I don't think I should have gotten this gun, but... oh well.
What? So I go over that time?
I made it. First time. Don't miss, don't miss! Woo!
Oh.
Here they come.
He just said that, Zoe.
There's a hunter nearby. Be warned.
Not anymore.
I'm using a sniper, probably one of the worst guns you can have in a zombie apocalypse.
I had a lot, yeah, in a zombie apocalypse, probably.
Smoker! Smoker!
What? Let me out! Oh, she didn't get you, huh?
No, she did. I was just being a man staying put.
I ditched. I totally ditched.
It's all good. No harm, no foul.
I'm gonna stay where I am.
That charger was having problems. Boomer! Boomer!
Where? Where? I can't.
Dead.
Okay.
Where are you? Oh, you're down there. I don't like this gun. Ah! Hunter! Ah, hell. I just been smokerfied.
Are you? Does he still got you?
Yeah. And the boys came and saved me. Do not shoot me! Progress.
Alright. I'm gonna heal first, and then I'm gonna progress.
Progression. Oh, sure. Heal me up, boy. Sure, now you want to have better... Now you want to cooperate, you fuckers.
Yeah, I know, really. Is there another med kit anywhere? I'm gonna take this defib.
I have a med kit.
Oh, I know. I use
Oh.
my med kit, but I'm just saying if I die or you die, I have a defib.
Okay. We just gotta play the system.
I lay your ass back down, son.
Is you progress, or are you back at the rooms?
I progress.
Okay.
Oh, I thought that was you behind me. That's what's his name? Francis.
Biker guy.
Yeah.
Shh. Ah!
No! Where did you come from?
The funny thing is right as he hit you, I freaking hit him.
Yeah, no.
So you didn't get much damage. Jockey! Thank you! Aww, he looks like a dog! Well, how he died, he looks like a dog.
I'm in the building to the left.
Building to the left.
Well, you're in front of it.
I got a telephone! I'm just gonna hide behind the counter. Does this door open? It does! And then you close it right back in my face.
I thought you were trying to open it.
I did, and then you opened it, and
Well,
then
like,
which made
I
it
thought it
close
wasn't
it.
opening. I tried to open
Oh, this is funny. Now I see where that thing in Gary's mod comes from. Yeah, because this was made in the Source engine, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know. I noticed that if you play a lot of the stuff on Gary's mod, it looks like maps from like Left 4 Dead.
Well, that's because it uses the textures and stuff for Left 4 Dead. That's why when I said get Counter-Strike and stuff, is because a
Yeah.
lot of the stuff that is in Gary's mod used the textures from Counter-Strike Source.
No.
Otherwise, you'll be seeing a lot of purple and black missing textures, and let me tell you, oh, it makes you want to puke.
Progress.
So, progression.
Progress. Hello, zombies. Oh, goodbye. Good job. Hello.
Hey, that hurts.
Taking it? No, no, no.
Ooh, there's a door over here.
No! I got a smoke around me.
No, 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 no.
Aha! Not anymore. Yay!
Okay, Crystal, follow me
freedom.
this way. Have
I'll
you ever
never
gone
do.
this way?
No. Does it go anywhere?
No, I think this is probably one of those check save points for the guys.
Oh.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Why are they both looking? Look at them. They're what? They're both looking straight at the ceiling.
They're mental. Where? Ooh!
Standing on some. I dropped a black one.
You don't want it?
No, I took Molly's. Like I'll play Molly's gun.
AK-47. Charger.
Where? Where? Oh!
Okay, Matt, what did you want? I'm kind of recording, Matt, so I can't answer you. Playing without me?
They can't join our call in Skype, can they?
No.
Okay, because I'm like, that'd be nice.
Hold on,
Interrupt
protect
her.
me. This is gonna suck to edit.
What, the Matt thing?
Yeah.
Why do you have to edit it out?
Oh yeah, I'm not that popular on YouTube. Because I don't want people knowing our username, like the usernames and stuff.
Oh.
Because then you'll get bombarded with friend quests and stuff like that, and you're only allowed to have up to 200 on Steam. Although, since I use Raptor too, I mean...
Oh, okay. I feel stupid. You mean he sent you a message on Steam and the little thing popped up in the corner?
Yep.
Gotcha. Okay. Duh.
And then I actually answered it.
Turn your lights on? Oh, she's in the middle of the way we gotta go. That's nice.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, hi. Okay.
So
Here's
I'm
what you
on.
do. No, you can't fit through there.
You do that?
No, we're good. Ah, tank!
No, are you serious?
No, I'm not.
I'm like, no, I'm not ready. Not when there's a witch out there. Matt's playing Elsword.
Yep. Whip Me Into Happiness is playing Elsword. Well, there is a charger. Oh, you butthole!
What? No, no.
What happened?
I'm at the main door with the smoke.
Well, I just got jockified. Come on, guys, work together. We're right next to each other. You better not bring me by that witch.
Oh, you got close. I think I stopped you.
I think you did.
I need a med kit. Really bad. Well, you need it too.
Oh, well, you need it more than I. You got an adrenaline, so.
Oh, here, you want
And
the
a defib.
adrenaline?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, not the...
Ah, I'm being healed. Oh, that works.
Oh,
And I'm
he
being
is
healed.
healing you. Yay!
And his name's actually Lois this time. Lois. Look, medkits. Nope, just pills.
There's a pistol
Really?
over in this cabinet.
Yay! Oh yeah, you fuckers dead now. Woo! Can't that just break through the doors? I'm getting up here. Is there a tank now?
No. This is a horde.
No, but
And a
and there's a
charger.
charger.
Get your own forklift, zombies. Get your own forklift. This is mine.
Really, Francis? Are you just gonna stand there and be hit by the fucking charger? Like, what the hell? Do you see where I'm at?
Yeah. This is my little war spot.
That's vulnerable. At mine, you couldn't be attacked from the back, so.
I know. It's just a way to look through.
He's
the
playing
door.
Elsword again. I
Nice.
can't stand that game.
I can't either. Thank God I'm not the only one. I tried, but I don't like the game style.
I don't either. I don't like playing games if it's like that. I mean, ESO's different. It doesn't even really feel like an MMO, but it is.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it kind of has a feeling that it's not, but you know it is. Because you can't just go up to anyone and kill them.
Yeah.
Which kind of sucks. Because I was trying to do that, and I was like, oh wait, this is an MMO. I can't do that anymore. Because I'm so used to being able to sneak up behind people and just slitting their neck. Hunter, where?
I don't know. I don't know. I hear him. No, God, my boyfriend is after me today.
You free?
Oh my God. Get off me.
Jockey!
And a jockey. First a smoker, then a hunter, now a jockey. What's next?
A tank.
Please do.
You'll accept a tank? Why? Because he's
I
big
will
and muscular?
Go. Maybe. I hate him, but I love him.
It just adds a challenge to the game, that's all.
It does. Oh, no, you don't. Are you kidding me?
Oh, I thought you were still the smoker. I saw you stand back up, and I thought you were the smoker, so I was shooting you. Stupid smoke, I can't see through it. Isn't it supposed to dissipate by now?
Yeah.
Fuck off. Fuck off. I am king of the hill. Wow. Look where we're at. We're actually progressing.
Let's do this. We can do this.
Let's do this.
Oh, never mind.
Ah!
Where?
Ah!
Where?
By the plane. He's over here. Ah!
Oh shit! Eat my fire.
Well, Lois is down.
Oh god. Oh god. He did.
Finally? And I only got 4 rounds left for my M16. And I just used them.
I see the boomer.
Aha, boomer.
Ah! Hey, I didn't know you could go over this way.
You didn't know that? You just have to have mad parkour skills.
Yeah, and I suck.
Charger!
Or I could go up on a truck and do it.
Woohoo!
Dum, 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 dum.
Dum, bum, bum, bum. Hey, that's where I died at last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which means we're
No,
close.
no,
Ah!
no, no, no.
He did.
Ah.
Play Ring Around the Rosie with him. Hey, med pack!
Hello?
I hear her.
Nothing.
That's right, bitch. You ain't gonna get a ride from me today. I only like females. I'm sorry. They're the only ones allowed to ride me.
Oh, God.
You know what would suck? Is if there was a witch right in front of our safe house door.
It's happened before. If so, we both just hurry up and run into the door and close that damn thing.
Charger!
I'd love to get that achievement for to hit a charger while they're charging or kill it while it's charging.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do in that room where he literally did not hit me. I was not even in front of him and he still hit me. Like he got me through the wall or something like that.
I hate that.
Okay, I'm upstairs a little bit a ways.
Okay.
Waiting for you.
I hear.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
I have a feeling she is going to be up that way.
I don't even hear her anymore.
Oh, you don't hear? I hear.
She's close. Oh, great.
Nuh-uh.
Run!
Is she really?
No. Oh, look, there she is.
I don't want to go in there. Okay.
They
so-
can't actually spawn in this room, can they?
What the hell was that?
I'm gonna heal up.
Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to do that too before they do.
Nobody close that door until we're ready.
Okay.
There's a Desert Eagle gun in here, and I'm 16.
I'm closing it. There was a boomer.
Ah, I didn't get my gun.
I didn't want to shoot him because with my luck I would have got spit on because he was right there. Ha! I am safe. You jumped over.
Oh no.
Try it again.
Well, should I click ready to face the horde or?
No, we could shoot it from up here.
Okay.
Because this spot they can't get us. Unless you get a smoker, then we're screwed.
I don't even remember how you get up there. Oh.
There's a ladder.
Wait, where's the ladder?
I think you can get up through that ladder.
Oh, hi, look at that. You can. Damn it.
We have first aid. Your ass ain't getting none.
Exactly. It's all for us and us alone.
Because you wasted. They wasted.
Ah, I let go. Son of a bitch.
Well, if you can't get it, it's okay. I don't
No,
want you to end up like killing yourself just to try to get up here.
I'll make it. I keep thinking you can do that shift thing from Minecraft,
Oh.
but you can't.
But you can't.
No. It sucks. Stupid fucking wall. Fuck it.
Sure, blame it on the wall. Oh god, you weren't kidding.
You
I got that. Oh, now you can make it up here.
just have to apply the pressure.
Oh, see, I told you. No! What the hell? Oh,
I
God,
think
oh,
I
God.
pushed you off.
Oh God, Hello? Any med kits in here? No, that's a toilet. I don't want to go in there. Hello? There's a defib.
Oh, that'll work. I
I'll
guess.
take it. And then if you die, I got it. There's another defib.
Where's it at?
In this room.
Oh, okay. You just come out of that. Just the way you came out of that.
I am not moving.
Why?
I am not moving. You
Why?
go ahead, Phil. Go ahead. You hear it? Just listen.
I
Francis, shut up.
I'm not hearing it.
Oh, okay. Stand right here. There's heavy breathing, and it's you know what?
That?
No, I don't think it was a charger. It might have been, but it sounded exactly like a tank.
Oh God.
No, it is. I still hear it. Yeah, look it through this doorway, Phil. Phil, look at the door. Do you see him?
In that room?
God. Oh God.
Ah! Run!
Oh God, you're gonna get stuck in there. I didn't mean to throw that. I thought you were coming out.
It's good. It's cool. But I am on fire though.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh, this
Yeah.
way.
Oh my God, turn around. Oh God. I don't want to die. Oh no. No. Phil, just go. Just go.
I can't
There's a
move.
jockey behind you. Just run to the safe house. You're right there.
Wait, where's it at?
It's just up the stairs through like that overpass thingy.
Okay.
There's a smoker coming too, so just frickin' run.
Oh, you died?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh God. No!
No!
No! No!
God damn it.
I was trying to kill that smoker, but I couldn't do it, you asshole!
There's that jockey again.
Again?
He's over there by that pile of junk. He didn't even touch me! He was at least 10 feet away.
I know he was.
Stupid game.
Oh God.
There's a spitter.